Playing video games and drifting in cars is sick, but you know what's more fun? This.
Pain I felt is paid for, all is said and done. Oh, I am restricted, fixed above the web. I need to kick the habit that my mind is breathing.
I wonder. Let's build it.
Yes, everything I need to make a dreams car, and I have just 24 hours to make all of these become one. I'm using the cardboard because it's cheap. I'm using the cardboard because it's lightweight and I promise it not to get wet. Yeah, let's get to it.
I've got all these gears here with me, but I also have a problem. Turns out it's not as fast or ideal as I want it to be. I might be able to make my own, but I tried doing that in the past and that didn't work the way I expected it to work. The car actually just became a load on its own. I just need to be faster than what I have here already. This is what this spins like. It's not consistent and I don't think it's as fast as the gear I already have. This gear system is kind of using a low power. This requires more power to work. It requires a bigger battery to move. Perhaps I might try using the same gear system, but it's going to be different from what I have here already. Alright, let's do it. I just finished serving the parts of this car. It's going to be very much smaller than the old one. It's going to stay more than the last one did. I think this is fiber material, but this time I'm using broomsticks and it's very much lighter than what I had in the past. There's still one part I forget to salvage, and that is from my tank. It's going to be one of these motors I have here. So which one am I choosing? Let's go with this one.
Ei menina, mostra o teu poder, desliza no beat, faz acontecer. O mundo gira ao teu redor, com esse swing, tu é maior. Mexe, remexe sem parar, essa energia vai te levar. Chão tremendo, todo mundo dançar, é um baile que nunca vai acabar. Sobe o clima, sente o calor, requebra no ritmo, sente o amor. Vem no flow, não pode negar, essa vibe é nossa, pode acreditar. Mexe, remexe sem parar, essa energia vai te levar.
I'm going to connect the receiver to the car, and I want to be sure that when I turn it left, it goes left, and when I go right, it goes right.
I trace the cracks on the floor tonight. Neon shadows dance in the broken light. A heart beats loud, but it's out of sync. Lost in the rhythm, I can't quite dream. The air is heavy, it pulls me in. Pull me in that twisted maze.
Okay, this is it.
Falling deeper,
So guys, I just finished building the car and this is what it looks like. I still have the rubber tires here and I just want to show you how quick this car is. Yes, so it's actually that fast. I mean, I've done better when it comes to the build quality, but this is what I had to make. Yes, it just broke. It's broken. Just when you think you're done with building, wow, I really had to do that. When I snap my finger, this will be off, and then the car will be fixed also. So yeah, let's do that.
Wow.